This video will cover the installation of a Wagonmeister Strut Tower and Firewall brace kit into a 1990 Volvo 240 wagon. It's an easy installation which can be completed during a lunch break. Start by removing the nuts and crescent-shaped plates from the strut towers. The firewall should already have threaded mounting points for the brace originally designed for the GT series Volvo. You will need to remove the plastic caps from each point. To access the driver's side mount, you will need to remove some insulation, which should already be perforated. Position and place the strut tower brace. Place the crescent plate on top of the brace with the pair of supplied washers and nuts. The firewall brace will come with a bolt and spacer. The braces are custom shaped for each side of the engine bay and cannot be interchanged. Place the brace so that the perpendicular end is against the firewall and that the parallel end is attached to the remaining bolt on the strut tower. Place the bolt and spacer in front of the brace to connect it to the firewall. Place and tighten all remaining bolts. And you're done. Enjoy your new strut tower and firewall braces in your Volvo 240.